So we have here a standard dog cage. There's a friend of mine who's getting a dog, and I don't have a dog. I don't like dogs. But she's getting a dog, and she wants to make something decorative to go around this cage to make it less of a wire rack and more of a dog place for stuff. Is that a good explanation? I don't know. So we got some materials. She had some pictures of something she was thinking about, so we're gonna go by that picture and make what she wants. All right, that's it. This wasn't too hard of a build. Maybe took me an hour to an hour and a half. My friend says she's gonna stain it up, make it look the way she wants, so I don't have to put a lot of that effort into it. So maybe she'll send me some pictures when she stains it up.